Now, this is an expo that will help you to pass your chemistry as a WAEC candidate. You are writing chemistry. Just pay attention because I'm going to give you those particular topics where your questions will come from in your theory and OBJ. Not this one is not practical, right? This one is your theory and your OBJ. What are the topics that you must do your final revision on? There are measurement of physical quantities, structures of an atom, gross features of an atom, atomic number. Go and read up anyone I mentioned. Go and do your final revision on them, both the calculation aspect, very important, and the theory aspect. Atomic number, proton number, number of neutrons, isotopes, atomic mass number. WAEC itself were the ones that brought out this syllabus. Relative atomic mass and relative molecular mass based on carbon-12 scale. Characteristics and nature of matter, particulate nature of matter, physical and chemical changes, electron configuration, orbitals, rules and principles of filing in electrons. Go and check on each one I mentioned. Please go and check on them. Standard separation techniques for mixtures. You know, different kinds of mixtures and how to separate them. Periodic chemistry. Okay, periodicity of elements, different categories of elements in the periodic table. So just go and read the periodic table. Periodic law, trends on the periodic table, periodic gradation of the elements in the third period, reaction between acid and metals, the oxide and triisocarbonates period. I hope you are seeing it. Anyone I mention, just go and read up those areas. You can see them on the screen. Then read up chemical bonding, interatomic bonding, formation of ionic bond and compounds, properties of ionic bonds, the naming of ionic bonds, formation of covalent bonds and compounds, properties of covalent bonds, coordinates, dative covalent bonding, shapes of molecular compound, metallic bonding, factors influencing its formation, properties of metals, intermolecular bonding, intermolecular forces in covalent bonding, just hydrogen bonding, van der Waals forces, comparison of all bond types, that is compare covalent versus electrovalent and all the rest. Stoichiometry and chemical reaction. Study symbols, formula and equations of chemical reaction, chemical symbols, empirical and molecular formula, chemical equation and IUPAC, name of chemical compound. Assignment. Come under the comment, you, that is you. Don't jump in. Come under the comment and tell me the full meaning of IUPAC. IUPAC. If you don't know, make research. Make research now. I'm sure your chemistry teacher must have taught you, but tell me in the comment section. So the laws of chemical combination, amount of substance, mole ratio, solutions, concentration terms, standard solution, preparation of solutions from liquid solutes by the method of dilution. Then read up states of matter, like kinetic theory of matter, changes of state of matter, diffusion, gases, characteristics and nature of gases, the gas laws, laboratory preparation and properties of some gases, liquids, vapor and gases, solids, characteristics and nature, types and structures, properties and solids, structures, properties and uses of diamond and graphite, determination of melting points of covalent solids, energy and enthalpy, distribution, description, definition and illustration of energy changes and their effect. You know, enthalpy, entropy and all the rest. Acid, base and salt, of course you know titration. Definition of acid and bases, physical and chemical properties of acid and bases, acid, bases and salt as electrolyte, classification of acid and bases, concept of pH, salts, you know, delinquents. Read up this thing. So this year it also came out in your JAMB. Delinquents, efflorescent and hygroscopic compound, acid-base indicators, acid-base titration, so other things like solubility of substances, general principles, practical application of solubility. Study things like chemical kinetics and equilibrium rates, rate of reactions, factors affecting rates of reaction, theories of rate of reaction rate, analysis and interpretation of graphs. Remember that in your chemistry there will be a lot of calculations, but there will also be many questions that are not calculations. Equilibrium, general principle, La Chatelia's principle. Just I'm giving you as you make your final revision. Touch on these things. Then read redox reactions like oxidation and reduction process, oxidizing and reducing agents, redox equation, electrochemical cells, standard electrode potential, drawing of cell diagram and drawing cell notion. Please read electrolysis, electrolytic cells, principles of electrolysis. This one, I'm giving you things will come out. This one is not joke. These are things that will come out. Principles of electrolysis, factors influencing the set of species, Faraday's law, of course it will come out. Practical application, corrosion of metals. Study things like chemistry of carbon compounds. Under this topic, read up classification of carbon compound, alkene, alkanones, functional groups, separation and purification of alkalic compounds, petroleum, crude oil, determination of empirical and molecular formula, general properties of organic compounds, homologous series, isomerism, alkanes, sources, properties, uses, alkenes, benzene, alkanols, alkanoic acids, alkanoates. Then study things like chemistry, industry and the environment. Study chemical industry, pollution. Of course, this one is always coming out. Air, water and soil pollution, biotechnology. Study things like basic biochemistry and synthetic polymers, proteins, sources and properties, use of protein, amino acid, fats and oil, carbohydrates, synthetic polymers, properties, and all the rest. These are the areas that JAM has specifically said we should you should focus on, because that is the topics from which they will choose this year's these are the areas that WAEC has said you should focus on, because these are the areas WAEC questions will come out from in chemistry. These are the areas WAEC questions should come out from. So if you want me to do videos on other subjects like physics and your other subjects, just tell me the names of the subjects and tell me to do this kind of video for you on those subjects in the comment section. Also, I want you to right now join our YouTube channel. You can see the button for join. Click on join, and then finally like this video. Click on like this video, share this video, click on share this video on YouTube, then copy the link, share it across board to all your friends, your classmates for the final minute preparation. Then finally subscribe to this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and indicate that you have subscribed. There's an important video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.